Perfecting your ham. Boil before baking.
Hello, cooking enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling an often asked question. How long do I need to boil the ham before baking it? Cooking a ham perfectly can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through each step to ensure that your ham turns out tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor.
Why boil ham before baking?
Before we jump into the timings, let's understand why we boil ham before baking. Boiling is a fantastic way to remove some of the salt from the ham, especially if it's a cured one. This process also helps to tenderize the meat and shorten the baking time, reducing the risk of drying out the ham in the oven.
How long should you boil the ham?
The time you should boil your ham depends on its weight. A good rule of thumb is to boil it for roughly 20 to 25 minutes per pound, or per half kilogram. So, if you have a 5-pound ham, you would boil it for about 1 hour and 40 minutes to 2 hours.
What's the next step after boiling?
After boiling, let the ham rest for a few minutes until it's cool enough to handle. Then, you can remove the skin, if there is any, and score the fat. Scoring helps the glaze penetrate into the ham, adding more flavor to it.
How long to bake the ham?
After your ham is prepared, it's time to bake. Generally, you'll want to bake the ham in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes per pound. However, this may vary slightly based on the specifics of your oven and the recipe you're following. And that's it. Now you know exactly how long you need to boil and bake your ham for maximum flavor and tenderness. Remember, the key is to monitor it closely to avoid overcooking. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy cooking!